What we got to? We ain't got time for all that. Egg rolls. You know the sauce for the egg roll. Peanut sauce. Calamari. Pad Thai. Oh shit. I know that's right. For the bev, we got water. So I got shrimp pad thai, y'all, with the highest spice level 4. I told them no hard peanuts. I like the sauce of the peanuts, but not the actual peanuts in my stuff. Which I know you don't really like pad thai, girl. Yes, I do. Just not with peanuts. I don't want my food crunching with hard ass peanuts in there. That's just me though. Content. They meant spice level full. Lord, I should have picked a 3 or a 2. I'm gonna put the peanut sauce. I might have to give it all to me. Deep eat. Ooh. Comment, let me know what y'all want to see me try. If it's local to Colorado Springs, if it's a fast food, you know, whatever, just let me know and put that shit down below. If there's any trends, if y'all want to go buy stuff from the store, cook it, throw it together and eat it, I do all that too. Baby, let's get this food, let's get it kicked off. Started before the new year, go through the year and eat the girls up literally and figuratively. But go ahead.